Use the universal search bar at the bottom of your screen to find any tools and features available on Snaptrude. This search bar is especially helpful when you're unsure of a tool's location. For instance, if you want to use the push-pull tool, you can search for it directly in the bar. If you're unsure of what the tool is called, simply enter a keyword and access it directly from the search bar options. You can also use the search bar to export or import data easily. To export data, type export in the search bar and choose the relevant export option from the list. For example, to export area data, select Export Areas, and the file will be downloaded to your system. Similarly, if you wish to import any data, search for Import and choose the respective import option from the bar. In this way, any tool available on Snaptrude can be found directly using the universal search bar option.